Everyone in the front. Make sure that you have ingredients right in front of you, okay? Very, very important. If you don't have them, then you know you're not participating. So we have water back here. Keep yourself hydrated. In case you need to use the restroom, across this room is for the gentlemen, and other to the left and right is for the ladies. No, I want to hear reviews. I want to hear reviews. Ooh, we like this song.
It's actually good.
Who wants to give me a review of the mojito? Over here. I know you want to give me a review. How's your mojito? The best mojito she's ever had. How incredible. Over here, how is your mojito? Tasty. Tasty. Over here. Amazing. Amazing. 3, 2, 1. We are going to say Wepa! Talk to the people around you and enjoy your Piña Colada.
Wow, me? Look at him.
Salud.
Salud.
Thank you.
Wow.
How can I make la piña colada? What moves me?
This mural is so beautiful. About to get our complimentary drink and vinegar. Yes. Thank you.